Adventures, and we have our minions here today, Julez and Mimi. Can you guys say hi?
Hi.
We're so excited because we are actually going to show you today how we are installing our WeBoost. We're also going to do an unboxing, and we want to say thank you. Thank you for tuning into our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell below. That way you don't ever miss a new video. And you guys ready?
Ready.
Let's do this.
Washi. Washi.
Yay, let's unbox it. Installation overview. There are two boxes.
Cool.
A and B.
Box A.
Box A.
So in box A, you have step 1. Step 1. And then you have step contents for 2, 3, 6, and 8.
And in box B. Oh, there we go. Alright. We have steps 4, 5, and 7.
Whoa.
Yeah, we got 2 boxes.
Whoa.
Cool.
So we have this right here is for the outside. So we will show Papa Lou installing that. And we have steps 2, 3. Which one is 4? This one?
4 and 5.
That's 4 and 5.
Oh.
This is 6. What's 7? Oh, this is 7. And then 8. And then they also have an optional if you want to do this. If you use 12-volt hardwire.
And Julian's obviously going to install this.
Yeah, check him out.
He's already reading the guidelines. And
You got this, Jules? Let me see, Mimi. The installation overview. Yeah.
Alright, so step
So
1.
here we go.
Here we go. Step 2. Man, they come with a drill bit? Oh, I love these people.
They thought of it all.
It comes with a drill bit, so you don't have to go say, oh, beep, 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 beep. I got to go to the Home Depot to get a tool. No, they've thought about it. I love them.
Nice.
That's a super big hole, and I'm glad I don't have to drill that through my rig or my roof especially, because I am going to use a pre-existing hole. So I'm going to skip 2 and go to 3. So I just got to figure out on the roof how am I going to attach this. So let's go to the roof, Fat Man.
Yes. So we're really excited about the WeBoost. I wanted to show you guys because we are actually out boondocking in the Rockies in Colorado, and we're literally in the middle of nowhere. So this thing's gonna be awesome. Okay, so here we go. And this ladder, we don't have a ladder in our RV, and we actually bought this one from another fellow RVer because they didn't need it anymore. But this thing's awesome. It is Little Giant Ladder Systems. And it's super sturdy and it holds Papaloo up. Plus, it folds. Bonus. Let's go check out what he's doing. Whoa. Another hole here because it just would not fit both of them. So now he is trying to figure out.
But no extra hole on the ceiling.
Yes, no extra hole in the ceiling.
On the roof.
The roof. So now he's trying to figure out where to put this. He is going to figure out if he's going to put this up or just lay it flat here. Okay, so he just fed the cable through that hole, and then this will connect right over here. Yay, WeBoost. So he decided to put it up on the wall. Is that upside down?
Yes.
Okay. Is there a reason?
On purpose.
Okay. So it's upside down for a reason. What's the reason?
So it'll be easier to take the wire on and off.
Okay.
Hashtag I love my RV. Because it had all this stuff ready to go in the closet. You dig?
You want to come up here? We're putting the WeBoost. You guys gotta stay down there. This is really high and really windy.
This is why it's upside down.
Ta-da.
We're going to be disconnecting this and connecting it probably when we're using it and not using it. Or maybe not. Maybe we'll just tuck it up in here. But
I don't know what they're doing.
so let's disconnect this real quick.
So now we are going to test it. And because we are boondocking, we are actually going to turn on the generator. And once it kicks on, then the power will come to this. WeBoost. So this one, it is the RV1, Drive 4G XRV, and you get up to 32 times better cellular coverage. So, let's see how this works. So at first the iPad had 2 bars for AT&T LTE. And then when I checked a couple minutes later, it was full bars AT&T LTE. Say what? Keep in mind that this boosts cell signal. So if there is no signal, it will not have anything to boost. And stay tuned for our next video where we review it after a couple of weeks of actually using it. Talk to you soon.
Yeah. Yeah, first class RV adventures. First class RV adventures. You gotta go one day soon and visit first class RV adventures.